Today we will learn numbers using fun objects. Are you ready? 1 car. 2 wheels on the bike. 1 door. Look at the door. 1 door. Say it with me. 1 door. 1 door. 1 door. 2 clocks. Look carefully. 1 clock, 2 clocks. See? 1 clock. And now 2 clocks. 1 clock, 2 clocks. 3 balls. 1, 2, 3 balls. Round balls. Well done. 4 books. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 books. 5 apples. Let's count. 1 to 5 owls. 3 red time for yum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars. You blue cars. 3 green cars. 4 yellow cars. 5 yellow cars. 1 flower. 2 flowers. 3 flowers. 4 flowers. 5 flowers. 7 flowers. 8 pencils. Let's count. 1 to 8 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did it! 8 pencils. 9 birds. 1, 2, 3, 9 birds. 10 stars. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, saw. Hi kids, let's learn to like, share and subscribe. First, L-I-K like, then S-H-A-R-E share. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Bye.